So guys, this is a video on 10-year cycle, and here I have arranged the date in respect to today's date, which is 13th of September, and the returns will be calculated till 31st of December. So we are in the 10th year of the decade, so 70s, 80, 90, 2000, 2010, 2020, all those dates will be calculated, all these years will be calculated. So what is happening here is that now from September till December, they are like 4 to 5 months, and I want to see which are the stocks I should not uh, touch at this point, because again the market has reached the peak. So these are the stocks which have like a record of negative returns in this period, so I should not touch them. First thing. Second thing, if I am trying to do some kind of short, then I should select those stocks that have at least 2 or 3 events. So here we have a list of stocks that have been negative in 2 to 3 events in the past, every time in the 10th year of the decade. So this is 90, 2000 and 2010. Now once I know this, I might, as an investor, I will be very much away from these stocks. And let's see what is the industry of these stocks. They are medical appliances, internet software both. Then this is biotechnology, again somewhat related to health. This is banks, this is investment brokering, so both are in banking industry. This is real estate. So let's also see other companies which only had 1 year. So yeah, medical industry, or some of them are internet based. Then few are in biotech. So in IT, this is IT, this is in softwares, this is internet providers. So IT related companies are many in this. Okay, so let's remove this filter and now check for the companies that could be positive. So minimum returns, I need, first thing is above 0, so greater than 0. So all those companies which have generated positive returns at this duration in 2010 and 2090, etc. So there are many companies coming out. Let's check how many. Somewhat 206. Now what I will do is I will filter out with the events how many, at least 3 events should be there. So 78 still are left. Now let me check for the big returns, the companies that, so the maximum return in all the 3 years was 20% maximum. So let me have a filter. I say greater than 10%. So here we have results. So this one, Wells Fargo, 14%. Let me check that 20%. This is the 20%. Lennar Corporation, so 50, 20, 33, 26. So all the years have been positive, and the cases are also more. 20%. This is 18%. Cardinal Health. Then this one is again banking stock, Fifth Third Bancorp. This 17% is again bank. 17%, this is telecom. This 14% is again bank. So what I see, these two are medical instrument companies, 15 and 19%. So why I am saying 15 or 19% is the minimum return is 15. So when I am looking at all these 3 years, I am focusing on the minimum return, that okay, chances of getting this minimum returns are at least some statistics is available that I can get at least 15%. Then this 18%, construction company is 20%. Then this 15 and 20 is insurance broker and medical equipments. So because of corona, I think also healthcare companies might again more. This is technical services. Then hospitals based company, UHS is hospital based, Universal Health. uh, so here we have Nike. uh, it's a textile and footwear company. So we have got this list. Somewhat we have got 24 stocks. Now again what I will do is I will again filter them. uh, like I need only big results. So this 15 is okay. So these are the companies which I have got after this filtration. You can see if as a trader you want to take some kind of F&O type of position, you can mix the technicals with it and do that. And here we have again like reduce our results to only 11 stocks, and these are the premium stocks with highest returns in the 10th year of the decade. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.